Alright, hey guys, in the last video I showed you how I made these picture ledges out of 2x6 board where I cut it in half and then I hogged out the middle of this, and then I used the CNC machine to hog it out a little bit more and give the lip. And so in this video I actually need to make some more, and so I'm trying a different technique. In this one I'm going to take, because I figure not everyone has a CNC machine, right? So I'm trying to think of a different way to show you how to do it. And so in this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2x6, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to cut it in half this way, and then I'm going to cut it in half this way. Give me 4 boards that are hopefully equal, and then I'm going to set up my dado stack and hog out the middle of it, leaving a ledge on both sides, and then finally cut off that ledge to give myself that little lip. So we'll see how that one goes. That's just an idea that I've had, and we'll see if it works. I picked out the straightest piece of 2x6 that I can, so let's get this cut in half both ways and get started on the dados, and we'll see how that goes. So I've got my chop saw set up. I'm just going to turn you around here. Morning. Exactly. So these are 5.5, so should be 2 3/4 will give me half. Of course, there's the kerf of the blades, so we're going to go in just a notch. Alright, so now I should have 4 equal pieces of wood. That I can now hog out a section here of. So I'm going to load up the entire dado stack I don't really, I mean, I could use the spacers, but I don't think I need the spacers because if I got to move it anyway. So let's make sure we unplug the table saw. Alright, so I think that worked pretty good. You can see that profile there. And now all I really have to do is cut this off here, leaving a little lip. And so I think I'm just going to set up the blade again and just run this, cutting off that little piece. So let's get this dado out of here. Alright, so now we're going to set the height here to not go through all the way and just cut through my little lip. That'll work. And now we need to set the lip maybe 1/4 inch. No, the whole thing is 1/4 inch. Let's take a look here and see what we want. Probably like that. Which is, we could always take a little bit more off. Let's try that first. Because we could always take some off. Fine. Alright, so hopefully you can see now the profile and the picture shelf, a little bit of sanding. not going to matter. And that's probably where I'm going to end with this one. Again, I'm not going to show you the sanding, all the sanding and the painting. This is just how to make them. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching.